everybody, welcome to my channel Fancy Tour. I am Akanksha. So this is gonna be a different video from the ones which I usually do because I'm gonna try to dress up as my favorite Bollywood movie character and see how it comes out. Even I don't know what it is gonna be like because I don't have that fancy stand in which I can hang my clothes. तो अभी के लिए मैंने इन्हें सोफे पे रख दिया है. So don't mind this. Favorite movie and my favorite movie character is Jab We Met and the character is Geet, and I think I really relate to Geet as a person. Geet was really spontaneous, she was high on energy, and she used to not think too much about the future and try to live in the present. So that is who I am completely as a person. So I picked my top 3 songs, which are Ye Ishq Hai, Moja Moja and Nagada Baja. Show you how I would dress up if I was in those songs. And I would select from the existing clothes which I have. So I would try to mix and match something and see how the look comes out. Let's quickly jump into the video. You all know that iconic dress of Kareena's, and I'll leave a picture also right here. You can see which dress I'm talking about. देखते हैं मेरे पास क्या है. This is like a off-shoulder crop top, and this is a plazo. My makeup, you can also see I have this bold kajal. It reminds me of Geet and Kareena Kapoor in general. She slays this bold kajal look and it suits her eyes so much. So that is why I have done this today. And I got this from Amazon for my dance video. I recently used for a shoot as well. If you have not watched it, then I will leave my Instagram ID on the screen. You can go and check out my Instagram. This would look really pretty for that song. I think it's Himachal, it's all colorful, and considering Geet's personality, I think she would carry this dress beautifully. Let's change in 3, 2, 1. This is so pretty, but I'll also try to style it, and let's see what I've got. Scarf and denim jacket. So I think I would go for a denim jacket. Let's see how it looks with this dress. Yeah, it's actually looking really cute and cool as well. Try करते हैं इसके साथ कैसा जाता है. I'm really not sure. ये combination. I think this is too much. My God. Song Nagada Baja, I have a lot of options. It's a proper festive song. They are all celebrating in their house. So many ideas I have, but considering I want to do something different because she's already wearing a suit, Patiala suit in that song. So I'm gonna go for a jumpsuit which would look more fashionable and light as well. So I don't want to keep it really heavy because that is what she has already done. So let's see how that looks. Let's go. ब्यूटीफुल नेकलेस. देखिए इसके साथ जाता है या नहीं. आई लगेगा कैसा, बट आई एम जस्ट. द फर्स्ट रूल ऑफ स्टाइलिंग इज दैट यू हैव टू कीप ट्राइंग. दैट इज व्हेन यू वुड नो राइट व्हाट इज गोइंग विद व्हाट. हेयर स्टाइलिंग भी कर लेते हैं थोड़ी सी बिकॉज ये खुले बाल इसके साथ नहीं जच रहे हैं. This is looking really pretty. ये भी नहीं जाएंगी. Should I add a मांग टीका also? I can add a मांग टीका also, but I think this will look really extra. Found this ring, this out of bangles now for this look. So I think this ring would definitely will complete it. So now coming to the last look, which is Moja Moja, and ये मेरा favorite dance number है. One right here, I think it is really pretty. Black, red and silver. We all always keep on seeing new trends, new fashion, and we are like, I need to buy this, now I need to buy this one. So this would never end. Like, there would always be new fashion, new clothes in the market. Better way out is you can see what you have in your wardrobe and restyle it and it in different ways so that it can actually create a completely new outfit, create your own style. So don't run after what other people are doing. Just use your own mind and create something of your own, because that would give you a lot of happiness. Keep coming back with more such videos. Till then, stay happy, stay fancy. Bye bye.